Amazon merch just tier-upped thousands of sellers overnight, and some skipped multiple tiers in a single move. If you've been grinding and waiting, this is exactly the news you've been hoping for. I'm the Cha-Ching Queen, your merch on demand news assistant here at Niche Please. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly what a tier up means for your shop and the one move to make right now to ride the wave. But stick around, because there's a surprising reason these overnight jumps happen that most sellers completely miss. Here's what actually happened. Overnight, a huge batch of merch accounts moved up a level, unlocking more upload slots. That's more designs live, more shots at sales, more royalties. For the sellers who jumped multiple tiers at once, this is huge. More slots means more room to test niches, seasons, and evergreen ideas all at the same time. But before you celebrate, here's the problem most sellers have. They assume tier ups just happen automatically, so they sit and wait and slow themselves down without realizing it. The truth is, Amazon rewards sellers who actually use their slots and make sales. Empty slots and stale designs send the wrong signal. Activity is the fuel. So let's walk through the fix, step by step. Step 1. Log into your merch dashboard today and check your current tier and available slots. Numbers change, so always trust the dashboard over rumors. Step 2. Fill your open slots with real, sellable designs, not filler. Every empty slot is a missed chance to prove you deserve the next tier. Step 3. Chase the sale, not just the upload. Tier ups follow revenue. Focus on niches people actually search for and buy. Okay, but here's where it really gets interesting, and this is that surprising reason I promised you. These big overnight batch tier ups tell you Amazon reviews accounts in waves, not one at a time, so consistent progress you make now can pay off later in a single jump, even multiple tiers at once. That means the work you do today isn't wasted while you wait. You're stacking evidence for the next review wave, quietly building your case. Quick pause. If you want to go deeper on all of this, I've got a Skool community linked in the description with a ton of extra merch value waiting for you. Come hang out with us in there. Now, step 4, keep your best sellers alive and refresh weak designs. A shop full of tired listings won't push you over the line, no matter how many slots you fill. Step 5, lean into keywords in your titles, brands, and bullet points. Getting found is half the battle, and it directly feeds the sales that trigger tier ups. And here's the part that separates the sellers who keep climbing. Don't stop when you tier up. The next wave is always coming for the ones who keep moving. So what do you do the moment your slots grow? Don't panic upload junk to fill them fast. Quality still wins over quantity every single time. Space out strong designs, watch what sells, and double down on the winners. That rhythm is what keeps you tiering up again and again. Remember, I'm not going to quote you exact numbers because Amazon updates tiers, slots, and royalties over time. Always confirm the current details right in your dashboard. So here's your loop closed. The reason thousands jumped overnight is those batch review waves. Your job is to be ready before the next one hits. The action for today is simple. Open your dashboard, fill your open slots with quality, and refresh anything that's gone stale. Do that, and you're already ahead of the sellers still sitting and waiting. When the next wave comes, you'll be first in line. Quick recap, check your dashboard, fill slots with quality designs, and keep selling so you're ready for the next tier wave. Subscribe to the Niche Please channel so you never miss a merch on demand update, and join our Skool community linked in the description for tons more value. This was the Cha-Ching Queen. See you next time.